Hey there, how are you? You know, money-making tools can change your life if you use them properly. That's why I am with you, the Omni channel. Welcome everyone. I will tell about some information and tools that no one has told you before. So, without further ado, let's talk about those tools. Do you know that AI now not only answers questions but can also help you grow your business, studies, and even YouTube channel? Today, I will show you what the advantage and disadvantage of using ChatGPT can actually do, how to use it, and where its limitations are, with a live demo.
Today we will know ChatGPT from this part to depth.
The founding team of OpenAI looked the first initiative to create it, and the biggest role in the team was played by Elon Musk and Sam Altman. OpenAI is an AI research organization based in United States, co-founded by Elon Musk, Sam Altman, Greg Brockman, Ilya Sutskever, and a few others. Sam Altman now serves as the CEO of OpenAI. OpenAI was founded in December 2015 with the goal of marketing artificial intelligence safe and useful for everyone, not just big companies. Since then, the plan has been to build a model that can teach human-like language understanding and writing. Elon Musk contributed significantly to initial founding and ideation. Sam Altman led the planning, team building, a long-term vision from the beginning, and is the CEO. If someone stops sharing information or ChatGPT is dead. First, let's talk about these benefits. How to make your life easier and faster than everyone else. Quick information. It can provide information on almost any topic in a few seconds. Education, technology, health, business, entertainment, etc. It's no wonder that you're wasting your time. Language skills. Can speak and translate many languages including Bengali, English. If your language is not here, please tell me in the comments. 24 hours, 7 days available. No time, place or holiday restriction. Can help whenever and wherever needed for the general public. Daily problem solving, learning new skills, travel planning, finance tips, and much more. Idea generation. YouTube content, scripts, marketing ideas, project plans can provide creative solution to anything. As a result, for content creators, video scripts, thumbnail ideas, SEO title and tags, trend analysis have become very easy. Writing and editing, articles, blogs, reports, scripts, even prompts, can write anything and fix grammar. For business people, there is a marketing strategy, social media content plan, customer support, become a safe relatant, tech support, software use, code writing, error fixing, can guide from basic to advanced for freelancers, proposal writing, content ideation, coding, design and guide, which was a very time consuming task. Learning support. Math, science, programming, language learning can teach any subject step by step. In this, students can easily benefit from assignments, exam preparation and tutorials. You have heard two advantages for so long. Now talk about this disadvantage. It is useless without internet. First of all, let me tell you that it is an artificial intelligence, a full chip, a full computer. It is not a human. It has no personal experience, so it cannot share feelings or direct experience from real life.
It is updating itself.
Third, regular information exchange. Risk of wrong information. Sometimes it gives wrong information, so it is important to verify important information. Be sure to verify. No sensory ability. It cannot see, hear or do anything physically. It only works with writing and data. Only receive text. Ethical boundaries. It cannot create harmful, illegal or privacy violating content. What that policies are made are updated. It exchanges information with everyone like me and is constantly updating its algorithm with new data from us. ChatGPT can help people save time, increase knowledge and increase creativity, but it is not right to be used without human judgment and verification. It's great as your assistant. They help us save time, increase knowledge, and increase creativity, but using with our own judgment is the right way. If you like the video, like it, subscribe to the channel, and write in the comments how you use AI.